Okay, the course title is STA 201 Statistical Methods. Okay, so we will see the first lecture. In first lecture, we are going to see only the basics of statistics. Okay, so what is statistics? See, in general or in a crude way, we can say statistics means statistics. Statistics means applied mathematics. Okay, that is, if we apply the maths in real life problem, we will say statistics. Okay, so generally statistics is a applied mathematics. Okay, so for example, in this example you can see, suppose a student want to calculate his or her percentage of marks. Okay, so that is, a student want to calculate his percentage of marks. Okay, so he or she obtained 450 marks out of 500. So this is a real world problem. Okay, so this we can solve. So the answer for this problem is, that is, the solution for this problem is the marks obtained divided by maximum marks into 100. So the answer is 450 divided by 500 into 100, that is 90%. Okay, so in this you can see here the mathematics is there. That is, the mathematics means the into the multiplication symbol, the division symbol, the equal to symbol, and the numbers 450, 500, 100, etc. So these are numbers. Okay, that is, these are mathematics. So here in this problem, the statistics is the percentage of marks. Okay, so the percentage of marks is statistics. Okay, so here we are, that is, we are applying a max to a real life problem. Okay, so that is called statistics. Okay, so here the statistics is the percentage of marks. Okay, so similarly, if one wish to calculate the average height of Indian male in a sample of 100 males from different parts of country. Okay, so this is also a problem. Okay, so this problem also we have solution like this. That is, we want to calculate the average height of 100 males. Okay, so this we can find by using the sum of height of all male divided by 100. That is, the answer is 5.57. Okay, so in this, can anyone say what is mathematics and what is statistics? Okay, so in this problem, which one is mathematics, which one is statistics? So here you can see the mathematics is the symbol, that is the symbol and the numbers. Okay, 150. So these are mathematics, and the statistics is the average height. Okay, so the statistics mainly deal with the real life problem. Okay, so we are applying the mathematics in the real life problem to find the solution. Okay, so that is statistics. Okay, so next we will see what is the difference between statistics and mathematics. So here you can see mathematics is theory oriented. Okay, mathematics we are studying, that is full of theory oriented, and the base of the mathematics is number. Okay, but in statistics it is mainly applied oriented. Okay, and the base of the statistics is data. So mathematics mathematics is fixed in nature. That is, in mathematics we will have no error, but in statistics are mainly random in nature. That is, it prone to error. Why means, we are applying to the real life problem. Okay, so the statistics will always have an error, but the mathematics will does not have error. Okay, see, for example, in this case you can see 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So in mathematics 2 plus 2 is always 4, but in statistics 2 plus 2 may be equal to 4 or less than 4, okay, or greater than 4. That is, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus error. Okay, so we will get the error in statistics. The basic thing you want to keep in mind is, in statistics we will have error. Okay, but in mathematics we will not have error, because the mathematics is fully theory oriented, but the statistics is fully applied oriented. Okay, so these are the main difference. Okay, and can anyone say what is the difference between the number and data? See, the number and data is not same. Okay, there is differences there. See, what is the difference is, the number is the number is theory oriented, okay, but the data is applied oriented. Number has no information, but the data has information. See here you can see in this example 25, 4.5, minus 10 are just a number, okay, but here in statistics the 25 kg, 4.5 feet, 10 degrees Celsius are data, okay. So here you can say that the data has meaning, okay. 25 kg, so this can be a weight of a person. Similarly 4.5 feet, this can be the height of a person, okay, and minus 10 degrees Celsius, so this can be the temperature of your room or a country or a place. So the data has meaning, okay, but the number, you can see the number 25, 4.5, minus 10. So here the numbers, the 25 is natural number and 4.5 is decimal number and minus 10 is negative integer. So the number does not have any information, but the data has information, okay. So statistics, in statistics we will mainly deal with the data, not number, okay. In mathematics we will deal with number. So data literally, so what is the meaning of data? Data literally means the collection of numerical facts, so that is data. So next is the formal definition of statistics. So if in exam they are asking define statistics, then you want to write only this one, okay. That is, the statistics may be defined as the science of collection, organization, presentation and analysis and interpretation of numerical data, okay. So here the 5 key points we should keep in mind, okay. Statistics is the science of collection, okay, and organization and presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. So in statistics we will deal with data, okay. So in exam if they ask what is define statistics, you want to write only this one, okay. The next we can see the father of statistics. The father of statistics is the name is R.A. Fisher, that is Ronald Aylmer Fisher, and the father of Indian statistics is P.C. Mahalanobis, okay, Prasanth Chandra Mahalanobis.